website, honey, well, I know what it would be. www.beautiful, that's what you are to me. Long blonde hair and big blue eyes, that smile knocked me off my feet. www.beautiful, that's what you are to me. Well, I know you're not a movie star up on that silver screen. You weren't born with a silver spoon, you ain't got a lot of money. When you flash those baby blues and them skin-tight blue jeans, my heart falls down to my knees, I pick my eyes back up to see. And if you had a website, honey, well, I know what it would be. www.beautiful, that's what you are to me. Long blonde hair and big blue eyes, that smile knocked me off my feet. www.beautiful, that's what you are to me. I don't have to surf the internet to get in touch with you. I just look deep down inside and I find a love that's true. A big warm heart with a gentle touch, that's all this man will need. www.beautiful, that's what you are to me. Well, I know you're not a movie star up on that silver screen. You weren't born with a silver spoon, you ain't got a lot of money. When you flash those baby blues and them skin-tight blue jeans, my heart falls down to my knees, I pick my eyes back up to see. And if you had a website, honey, well, I know what it would be.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We are here in St. Joseph, Missouri, picking up some hazmat going over to Illinois. Don't know what it is. I went inside to kind of like check in. They're on break until 12:30, so I got about a little over half hour. Just gonna hang out. Look at this place. This O.D. Smith Drug Company. Oh, CD. This is it's an old town. The building's cracked all the way up. Wow. I like seeing the old towns like this. I bet that building has some crazy history. Look at the artwork on the top of that up there. Just insane. It's pretty neat. There's another old building way up there on the hill. This one here is not new, that's for sure. This side is, but I mean, this building is just as old. But man, I'd like to go inside that place. That'd be really neat. I love old industrial buildings. Just kind of get an idea, because you know that place was bustling back in the day. All sorts of work. 1888 is what it says on the top of the building up there. Man, wonder how long that took to build. It's pretty neat. If you guys haven't been to it yet and you've come out this way, go check out the Pony Express Museum. It's all about the beginning life of the Pony Express, how it all started, the struggles they went through. Like, it's an amazing movie, museum. I'm thinking of with Dennis, is it Dennis Quaid that's in it? Maybe not, I don't know. The old mail carrier, Pony Express, whatever it's called, I don't remember. But basically, after the world ends, he starts up the mail carrier again, and becomes president and all that stuff. Good movie. But the museum is amazing. A lot of like life-size pieces, just a lot of really neat stuff. So if you guys get the chance, I'm telling you, it's donations only. So you just go in, put a couple bucks in, and check that place out. You won't be disappointed. One of my favorite museums I've ever been to. But yeah, guys, I don't know what we're getting here. Like I said, some kind of hazmat something. But this load pays really good. It is $5.60 something a mile. So nice, good short load going up to Illinois. It's like 320 something miles. Can't really complain, especially after the day I've had getting hit this morning. Showed that in the last video. Guy hit me in a rest area. Nothing crazy, but enough to wake you up and have to deal with safety and all that crap. And then, yeah, driving 200 something miles this morning to get to my delivery in Kansas City, and then getting up here. So definitely will fill out the hours of service for the day getting over to Illinois. And yeah, but we'll hang out here, wait. I'll do some editing and all that good stuff, and I'll check in with you guys once we start getting loaded, get paperwork, whatever the case is. So till then, y'all hang on. All right, guys, so finally checked in, and I'm getting 24 half totes of 1993 flammable liquid. So they're half totes, so they're half the height, but they're very small. So I got to get some straps and secure it, and he's not happy about the fact that I got to be in there to secure it while he's loading it. So he's got to talk to safety, and yeah, this could be fun. So I'll let y'all know how it goes. All right, so we were able to turn the pallets sideways, so I didn't have to strap each individual pallet. There's about 3 to 4 inches between the pallets, so it's legal. I got 5 rows of 2, and then 2 singles, and then 6 rows of tube, 24 pallets, 24 totes, and I have the singles strapped, horseshoe strapped, so they can't go anywhere, and then straps on the end. It is 1993 is the UN number. Flammable liquid, NOS, some kind of hydrocarbon solvent, class 3, packing group 3, whatever, marine pollutant. Yeah, so we have the 1993 placards on. Everything is ready to go. I got the GPS set. We got 375 miles to go. Nice little short load, but it pays really good. So we're going to get everything else situated, get the doors shut, and we're gonna get on the road. GPS just said vertical clearance warning. This is the interstate. definitely feel the slosh in here. Check in with y'all later. Well, ladies and gentlemen, our night has come to an end as far as the trucking portion of it goes, and we are at the Iowa 80, the world famous Iowa 80 truck stop. Yeah! Wow! Oh, I'm not really that excited. I know there's plenty of parking. Oh, thank you. I did not want to hit that hole. Come on, let's go. All right, here we go. I know there's plenty of parking and truck wash and you can shower. Do all that good stuff here, right? Like there's a lot of good stuff. Easy, Tiger. All right now. So yeah, I'm gonna get on over here to the truck wash, hopefully, if I can, and get this old girl washed, and then find me a parking spot. And then go in and try not to spend all my money. Definitely going to like get stuff for a shower and like not buy stuff. I'm gonna take my stuff in for a shower because I didn't get a shower last night. I stayed at the rest area, so we'll yeah, get on over here to the. That's a beautiful Peterbilt. That is nice. The Truckomat, I don't know where the exit is, or I think it's around the front. This place is so damn big. Looks like it might be closed. I hope not. I stopped here for a truck wash. It better not be closed. If it is, I don't know what to do about it. I think they're 24/7 though, like year round. Hey, they're open. At least there's a couple people in line. That's a nice KW. I like that blue, it's pretty. Wash out only. That is not where I want to go. We're gonna go over here. All right. We'll wait in line here, and I'll see you guys here in a bit. All right, guys. We got the truck washed. We are parked, and $53 with the trailer wash. Landstar pays for the trailer. That's with brightener, engine wash, and wax. 53 bucks. What was that, about the same as a Beacon, I guess? I don't know. Damn, look at this engine. I think it's huge. I'm gonna go in here and see what I can see. And yeah, maybe get something, maybe not, I don't know. go in this place and look around. It's always a good time in there. It's a bunch of chrome, right? All I can think about is just spending money. Like, oh, I don't want to. Is it really worth it? Like, all these questions run through your head whenever you're looking at chrome. But generally, it is worth it, yes. But let's get in here. All right, guys. It is freaking cold. I'm back here at the truck. My freaking door handle is frozen. Oh, so I got my torch out, and I'm going to try to thaw it out a little bit. If I can keep the wind from blowing out my flame here. Oh, I gotta put this down. Hang on. Y'all, this is stupid. This whole motherfucker's frozen. I was able to get my key in it, but I couldn't turn it. I'm gonna put this down again. Hang on. All right. Oh yeah, we're good. No, it's gonna be warm. It's just frozen shut. All right, we got the door open. Oh my goodness, guys. That's freaking crazy. It's cold. That's what you get for washing your damn truck when it's freezing as hell outside. Well, that doesn't make any sense. Freezing like freaking North Pole right now. That's stupid. I'm gonna put my stuff back up, and then I'm gonna get in the truck and I'll show y'all what I got inside. All right, guys. I did all this last night on a video, but I just didn't like it, so take two. I bought 3 things last night at the Iowa 80 truck. The Iowa 80 truck stop. It's too early for this. And the first thing I bought was an EDC pen light, like just a flashlight you can put in your pocket. It's small enough, you know, you don't even really notice it. It's, you know, obviously it's a little bigger than a pen, but I carry a pocket knife and I carry a pen.
Good morning.
Good morning. And I used to have one of these, but I left it in one of our old campers, and then we traded our camper in for another one, so I lost it. But some people carry a light on their, like on the pistol, or on their everyday carry handgun. I don't, simply because I don't want that to be my only light. Plus that's more I gotta carry. The pistol mounted lights are usually really bulky. Then you got to get a new holster for it. I just don't want to deal with it. On top of the fact that if that's your only light and you're trying to look at something on your truck, on your car, or whatever the case may be, you don't want to draw your pistol just to use the flashlight. It's kind of crazy. But some people do it. That's the way they prefer to do it. I don't. I want to keep that thing holstered as much as possible. But anywho, so I bought that, and I also bought 2 other items. I've already installed them. They just twist on and off. But I think they're cool. I've been wanting them for a while. Let's check these out here real quick. New parking brake knobs. I've been sitting here with my foot on the brake. But, I'm getting ready to roll. But yeah, they are chrome, they're metal, so they got some heft to them. A little donkey and a little wagon. I think they're pretty cool. Definitely better than like the standard whatever parking brake knobs are. There's a whole bunch of options for those kind of things. These are cool. I liked them. They're unique. Definitely kind of takes you back to like the old days of like the cowboy. So pretty cool. But we're gonna get on the road, guys. I've already got my coffee. I already done my pre-chip. I'm letting my clock kind of tick up a little bit, and we're gonna get on over here to Illinois and get unloaded. So let's get on the road.
I knew a man named Martin, stood up for what he believed. Shot him down into the ground, but the ground it did not bleed. I knew a man named John, stood up for what he believed. 3 shots ring out in Dallas and brought the country to its knees. I knew a man named Lincoln, I didn't know him well. Say he was a good man, shot down just as well. Where have all of our heroes gone? Where are they today? Who's gonna be the next hero that somebody takes away? Stand up for what you believe in and you get shot down today. There's got to be another hero. Lord, we need one right away. I knew a man named Jesus, they say he done no wrong. Must have been a mighty good man, 'cause they hung him on a cross. I knew a man named Robert, up and out of the blue. He was taken away from us, well there was nothing we could do. Where have all of our heroes gone? Where are they today? Who's gonna be the next hero that somebody takes away? Stand up for what you believe in and you get shot down today. There's got to be another hero. Lord, we need one right away. I knew a man named Jimmy, 101st Infantry. He was killed when a bomb went off, protecting you and me. I knew a man named Thompson, NYPD. He died in an elevator shaft on floor 33. Where have all of our heroes gone? Where are they today? Who's gonna be the next hero that somebody takes away? Stand up for what you believe in and you get shot down today. It's got to be another hero. Lord, we need one right away. Heroes, they're all around us. Men and women unafraid to stand up.
We are, turn the heater down a little bit, 1.1 miles out. Getting over here to 114 Progress Lane. hey, there's a couple docks. I don't know where I need to go, but let's find out. I'm sure it's gonna be one of these docks. So I'm gonna go ahead and get set up and back up to this dock here. The office is right next to the docks, so that works out. Oh yeah, she's sloshing around real good. Well, we got our trailer unloaded here, guys, and I gotta get the placards off, get the doors shut, all that good stuff. So get on the road, go over there to get my next load to get me home for Christmas. 1, 2, 3, 4 straps in there, and there is the bill. Right on. All right, guys. We got our bills. Bills are signed. This is good. I'm gonna shut the doors here. I don't know why I'm carrying my gloves. I should be wearing them, right? Thank y'all for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the journey. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. Follow me on Instagram, Nomad.trucker. I'm gonna put the bills in the truck, get all these placards off, and hit the road. Ready to get home. Next load is a really good load. It's over $7 a mile. So stay tuned for that one. Y'all be good, stay safe out there, love one another, let your family know you love them. Think it better and stand up for what you believe in, guys. I'll see y'all on the next one.